Today, we have gathered here to witness the launch of Jio True 5G at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus. With great excitement, I welcome all the dignitaries from both Jio and WIPS TC Institute. Please give a big round of applause. Now, I request all the dignitaries to come forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Sir, please come. To express our gratitude, I humbly request our Vice Chairman, Mr. Vineet Vatsar, to present a token of appreciation to Mr. Suraj Saha, Regional Sales and Distribution, Head of North Region. Sir, please come forward for this. Thank you, sir. I request Mr. Vineet Vatsar to present a token of appreciation to Mr. Gaurav Kumar, Sales and Distribution, Head Delhi. So I request you to please take your seats. Without much further ado, let's have a quick glimpse about our premier institution.
WIPS, Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies, is a landmark on the map of the nation, situated in the capital city of India, Delhi. Our 21 years of legacy is built on the vision and teachings of Swami Vivekananda to sharpen intellect, chisel character, and harness possibilities of tomorrow through a rigorous curriculum, innovative pedagogy, and holistic growth approach. One of the most preferred educational destinations for students across the country. WIPS offers the best undergraduate and postgraduate programs in law, journalism, engineering, IT, business studies, economics, English, and many more. Consistently ranked amongst top educational institutions in the country. Award-winning professors, state-of-art infrastructure, high-end sports facilities, and a place for overall holistic development. you find more than 7,500 students, 275 plus faculty members, 300 plus companies on board, and 18,000 alumni networks. WIPS is more than a college. It's a thriving intellectual community of students, professors, and staff working together to produce excellence. WIPS believe that education is a fundamental right for every human being. WIPS is not a college just to earn a degree. It's a place empowering the future generations for a promising tomorrow. In the right place, creativity is the river. You will have access to more than 40 plus clubs and multi-event activities. We dance, we learn, we sing, we perform, we run, we play, we enjoy. We go to the end of the world and go beyond. We are the one extra stroke of brilliance. We become engineers, scientists, lawyers, artists, journalists, entrepreneurs, leaders.
We here make future leaders.
And much more. A pioneer educational institution of Delhi offers programs in various disciplines. We welcome you to the WIPS. Experience WIPS, Vivekanand Institute of Professional Studies.
To formally start the event, I am pleased to invite Professor Supriya Madan Ma'am, Dean VSIT, to address the gathering. We want education by which character is formed, strength of mind is increased, and intellect is expanded, by which we can stand on our feet, said Swami Vivekananda ji. It is in pursuit of this dream of Swamiji that the foundation for society of total revival and national glory and true heritage, known as Strength India Education Society, was laid. Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies was established in the year 2000 by Dr. S.C. Watts, our chairman, with a mission of man-making, character-making, and nation building. It is under Chairman Sir's constant guidance, his visionary leadership, that today WIPS has been a forceful force in providing quality education to students for more than 2 decades now. WIPS offers a diverse array of 20 plus undergraduate and postgraduate programs, all designed to empower more than 8,000 students with knowledge and skill for success in their chosen fields under the guidance of around 300 faculty members. We offer courses like BA LLB, BBA LLB, BA Economics, Masters in Economics, BA English, Masters in English, BBA, BCom, Journalism, Masters in Journalism, Bachelors of Computer Application, Masters of Computer Application, and BTech in emerging areas like AI, Data Sciences, IIoT, Computer Science, and we have also added very large-scale integration in our BTech program. All our courses offered are affiliated by Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. The BTech and MCA programs are approved by AICT and accredited by NBA. We are also recognized by Bar Council of India, recognized under 12F by UGC, and an ISO 9001-2005 certified institution.
One of our significant achievements of WITS TC is that it's NAC A++ rating, and this reflects the institution's focus on maintaining rigorous standards and teaching, infrastructure, research, and student support. Today we gather here for the launch of 5G. 5G is a transformative technology that is shaping our world. The fifth generation of wireless technology is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. 5G promises faster speed, low latency, and the capacity to connect billions of devices seamlessly. This means quicker downloads, smoother video streamings, and more responsive online experiences. But 5G is more than just a boost to our smartphones. It is a catalyst for innovation. In healthcare, 5G enables remote surgeries and real-time patients monitoring. In transportation, it empowers autonomous vehicles and traffic management system. In manufacturing, it facilitates the rise of smart factories and efficient supply. And in our cities, 5G drives the development of smart grid, enhancing sustainability. However, as we embrace 5G potential, we also must address concerns about privacy and security. The vast amount of data flowing amongst 5G networks require robust protections and ethical handling. In conclusion, 5G is a game changer, unleashing an era of unprecedented connectivity and innovation. I once again, on behalf of the management, faculty, and students, extend a warm welcome to Mr. Suraj Saha, Mr. Gaurav Kumar, and his entire team for the launch of the 5G at WITS TC campus. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for the address. Now, I humbly request Ms. Preeti Sharma from Geo team to the podium.
A very warm morning and an afternoon to all the students, faculty, and the dignitaries of WIPS and GEO. As you all know, we have gathered here for launching the 5G services and how it is going to benefit the future of India, not only India, but the world. In order to start that, I'd like to call Mr. Suraj Saha to felicitate Vice Chairman WIPS TC, Mr. Vineet Vats. Can we all give a better round of applause? I'm sure you are full of energy. Thank you.
Thanks for inviting us.
Bishwi. A souvenir from Mr. Gaurav Kumar for Mr. Vats.
I think this is the main, this says your campus is now 5G ready.
So actually we have a certificate which certifies that your campus is now 5G enabled, and you all can use 5G if you have a 5G enabled device. We'll tell you and guide you how to use that towards the end of this session today.
Completely yours, right?
No, sir.
Come. Shikha ma'am, come. Thank you. This is for you, sir.
May I request Gaurav to please stay back and give a souvenir to the Dean Vivekananda School of Information Technology, Professor Supriya Madan. Ma'am. Thank you very much. I'd now like to invite Ms. Shikha Taneja, HR Head from Geo Delhi. Now I would like to invite Suraj sir. Suraj sir is heading sales and distribution for North India for Jio. Sir, can we please have you on the podium to take this forward?
So, good afternoon, Whips. Good afternoon. So, I think next 20 odd minutes, I really want to hear your voice. We'll keep this session very interactive. I think before that, I think really want to thank Chairman Mr. S.C. Vats, Vice Chairman Vidit sir, I think Supriya madam, Dipali madam, and our dear students. I think I was listening to what Supriya madam was saying, and I think the word which you used, game changer. So I don't know, I think you knew somebody in Jio. We also use 5G as a game changer. So I really want to appreciate the few words of wisdom you have used about 5G. So big round of applause to Supriya ma'am. So why we are here? So I think what we are doing, we are taking the top colleges across the country. So in North, already we have visited 70 plus colleges. Last Thursday, I was in NIT Hamirpur. We are also going to NIT Delhi, maybe in next 2-3 weeks. So all top colleges across the country, we are visiting, we are meeting students, we are meeting faculties, because 5G is a game changer. And I think biggest user of 5G will be students. So what we want, what I'm going to show you next 20 odd minutes, how students can use 5G. And I really want students to be inspired so that you guys can start using 5G, which is the latest technology. Because if you see G20, recent G20, the kind of praise India has got, I think biggest reason of, say, Digital India, digital money, everything is sitting on 5G technology. So I think, and we really want all of you to create new innovations, new platforms, new apps, so that India can further shine and all of us can shine together. So yeah, so I'll start with, I think, words of Mr. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. I think students are workers of tomorrow. I think that's why I started with, if you guys really work hard, use India's technology, then I think this entire decade, or decade as rightly said, belongs to India. So let's do that together. So just a small history. If you see this slide, I think we started with 1G, which was analog. Then we moved to 2G. How many of you have used 2G phone? Just raise your hand. I think almost 50-60% of us. So 2G started in 1990s. I will say 95 to be precise. I was also a student. Then we moved to 3G. 3G started in 2000. Then I think Jio came. We launched in 2016. And I showed, next question which I asked, I think everybody will raise the hand. How many of you used free 4G from Jio? अरे free use कर रहे हैं, आधे लोगों ने हाथ उठाया भाई, हाँ? ये, so we launched, it's the biggest test marketing, or you can say pilot, whatever you call it. If there are MBA students, I think this was a big case study. We launched in 2016 September, and we gave 4G services to, guess, 100 million customers. So from September 16 to 31st March 2017, for 6 months we didn't charge anything, and we acquired more than 100 million customers in that period. And now in 4 years, in 10 years, actually 4 years, 2016 to 2020, we have already launched 5G. So, and very soon, maybe we commit you that 5G launch in India was not the, you can say, the fastest or first, but we are running towards, Jio is committing to country that we will launch 6G among the first in the world. Yeah, go ahead. So, why we are here? We are here to launch India's only true 5G. And this true 5G is not a marketing gimmick. जैसे कहते हैं ना, ये असली 5G है, ये जैसे असली ढाबा होता है, ठीक है? This is not that way. So it has a technical backing. So basically, just go back, last slide. So it has threefold advantage. ठीक है ना? First is standalone 5G. What is a standalone 5G? आपके कॉलेज के पास एक बहुत बड़ा फ्लाईओवर है, ठीक है ना. I think I also crossed whenever you go to Chandigarh or anywhere, GT Karnal Road. So our true 5G is launched. We had made a special highway for 5G. So विनीत सर क्या किया हमने, what we have done, competition का जो 4G और 5G का जो प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो हाईवे है वो सेम है. Whereas what we have done, our highway for 4G and 5G are different. तो जिसके पास 4G का फोन है वो 4G के हाईवे पे जाता है, जिसके पास 5G का फोन है वो 5G के हाईवे पे जाता है. That's why our 5G is true 5G. Second, I think we have largest mix of spectrum. Can any student guess, or you can कितना, how many spectrum and how much money we have spent in this buying 5G spectrum? Any student? बोलिए please. 1600,000 करोड़. थोड़ा बड़ा सोचो यार, थोड़ा और बड़ा सोचो. 4 लाख करोड़. It was 90,000 करोड़. तो इस बार 90,000 करोड़ we have just spent to give Indians the best mix of 5G network. So we have 3 spectrums which we are using, which we'll talk about. Last, carrier aggregation. ठीक है ना. So I'll just briefly touch upon all the 3 points. Why Jio's 5G is true 5G? Because you should also know what is technical background of 5G. So as I told you, we don't have dependency on 4G. अगर 4G के हाईवे पे जाम लगा हुआ है तब भी फर्क नहीं पड़ता, हमारा 5G स्मूथलेस चलेगा, जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया. सो इट हैज लो लेटेंसी. तो अगर आप देखोगे 4G का, पहले 2G का फोन लगाते थे, ठीक है ना, उसकी घंटी 5 सेकंड बाद बजती थी. अब 5G में लेटेंसी इन माइक्रो सेकंड्स. आप घंटी बजाते हो, दूसरे की घंटी पहले ही बजाती है. कई बार आपको बोलना पड़ता है, तूने मुझे बटन दबाते तूने फोन उठा लिया. दैट्स इज 5G ऑल अबाउट. बेस्ट स्पीड्स. I think we'll also check the speeds. We're talking about almost 1000 Mbps speed wherever we have gone and launched. And then this is also specific. Most people start using it, speeds will be compromised and will again come and enhance the capacity. Network slicing. तो हमने लास्ट वीक एक एयर फाइबर लॉन्च किया है जिसमें हम नेटवर्क स्लाइसिंग यूज करते हैं. स्लाइसिंग मीन्स अगर इस कमरे में 10 रोज हैं तो हम शुरू के 2 रोज फिक्स कर सकते हैं कि ये लोग सिर्फ यहाँ पे एयर फाइबर के लोग यूज करेंगे या 5G के प्रीमियम लोग यूज करेंगे. मैसिव M2M. आई थिंक 5G ग्लोबली इज यूज्ड फॉर मशीन टू मशीन. आप बिफोर यू रीच होम यू कैन कीप योर माइक्रोवेव ओपन और AC एक्टिव. सो दोज ऑल द एप्लीकेशंस यू कैन यूज फॉर. एंड पावर एफिशिएंसी. 5G एक्चुअली आपके बैटरी की भी पावर कम यूज करता है. या सो आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट वी हैव द 3 बेस्ट स्पेक्ट्रम्स यूज्ड फॉर 5G व्हिच इज 3500 मेगाहर्ट्ज, 26 gigahertz and 700 megahertz. I think 700 megahertz we are the only operator. विनीत सर जिसने 700 megahertz खरीदा है. 700 megahertz क्या करता है? वो सिंपल. यूजुअली अगर आप बेसमेंट में भी हो या 3-4 वॉल्स के पीछे भी पेनिट्रेट करके आपको 5G का नेटवर्क मिल सकता था. अगर आपको याद हो शुरू में बेसमेंट में जाते ही फोन काम नहीं करते थे. आई थिंक नाउ दैट्स व्हाई वी बॉट. आप कहीं पे भी हो, आप 25th फ्लोर पे हो या 2nd 3rd बेसमेंट के पार्किंग में भी हो, आपको 5G का नेटवर्क मिलेगा. एंड आई थिंक बिगेस्ट थिंग व्हाट आई स्टार्टेड विद, आई थिंक वी आर द ओनली गाइज, वी हैव वर्कड विद ऑल ऑपरेटर्स, ऑल टॉप ऑपरेटर्स, चाहे Qualcomm हो, Intel हो. आवर इंटायर 5G इज indigenous made. It's made in India, made by Indians. So we have not, like 4G we launched with help of Samsung. Whereas for 5G, we have not used anybody. We have all in-house developments. We have a lot of, I think, young engineers in Jio platforms. So we have hired a lot of young engineers. They work for us, and we have launched this. So already, I think we have launched 5G in all 36 states, all 6,200 cities. आप में से बहुत लोग बाहर के होंगे, अमरोहा के होंगे या सोहना के होंगे, whatever. आप हर जगह आप देखोगे, Jio has already launched 5G. I will talk about Delhi. I think I am very happy to share. अगर कोई भी मेट्रो लोगे या डेंसिटी ऑफ पॉपुलेशन लोगे, Delhi has highest number of Jio 5G sites in the country. So I think let's have a big round of applause for your city, Delhi. So along with 7,144 5G sites, just go back. उसके ऊपर हमारे पास almost 10,600 4G sites भी हैं. And आपको एक और चीज टेक्निकल I just want to tell you. This 7,400 sites, अगर आपको पीछे वाली स्लाइड याद हो, we had 3 spectrums. So we have actually 3 bands. So 7,000 into 3, almost 21,000 sectors we have. ठीक है ना? And just to give you a comparison, lot of you might be using Airtel. Airtel के 4G sites कितने गौरव? 3500, and they only use one band. So they have 3400 sectors and we have 21,000 sectors. So what we are doing as of now, India's total 5G network, we have almost 85% share. So India में जितने भी 5G के network rollout है, 85% rollout is done by Jio. So already I think we have one site, and now I think I have discussed with Vineet sir. I think we'll have very strong association. So as I started with, if you want to have more site, we'll have more 4G site, 5G site. Your in-shop network will definitely work towards that. Already, just go back, we have a speed of 435 Mbps. I think we want the speed to be 1000 Mbps, Vineet sir. So we'll require your help. My team is here, Kapil is here, our JCM is here. So we'll have more infrastructure so that students can go up to 1000 Mbps. I think you guys should know it because I think Modi ji, अगर आप देखो कि 20 साल पहले 25 साल पहले हम लोग सब पे लैगार्ड थे, सबसे पीछे रहते थे, ठीक है ना. आई थिंक व्हाट रिलायंस हैज डन, अगर आप देखोगे 5G अवेलेबिलिटी, ये थोड़ी पुरानी स्लाइड है, ऑलरेडी 30% इंडिया इज 5G इनेबल्ड. जबकि आप यूएस या साउथ कोरिया देखोगे, साउथ कोरिया इज मोस्ट 5G इनेबल्ड, ठीक है ना. दे आर 42%. आई एश्योर यू मे बी एंड ऑफ दिस दिसंबर हमारा कमिटमेंट है विनीत सर, हमारी सबका कमिटमेंट है कि हम पूरे इंडिया में 5G लॉन्च बाय दिसंबर 23 कर देंगे. सो दिस नंबर विल गो बाय ऑलमोस्ट 60% व्हेन वी मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम. डाउनलोड स्पीड्स already I think we are among the top. Peak download speeds is already above 700. Our aim is to give 1000 Mbps speed. I think just to give you a number, जब हमने 4G लॉन्च किया था विनीत सर, एनी केसेस इंटरनेट पेनिट्रेशन में इंडिया का क्या रैंक था? अगेन जीके का क्वेश्चन, आप में से बहुत लोग क्विजिंग करते होंगे. आई ऑल्सो लव क्विजिंग. कोई गेस? हाँ जी भाई, 4 लाख बोला था आपने. हाँ, क्या रैंक होगा? हाँ, इट वॉज 156. सो 2016 आप देख लेना, 2016 when before Jio launch, India's internet penetration was 156. What is rank now? Number 1. So India is number 1 in internet penetration in the world. ठीक है ना, already speed किया सन. So I think I'm going to show. I think Supriya madam ने, I'm really impressed Supriya madam. So whatever sectors we're talking about, I'm just going to show small video. ठीक है ना, how it is going to. We'll start with sports, which is all students love for. Yeah. I'll just show one more last video. It's about how 5G can help the gamers.
Jio Glass truly transforms your life. Right from the moment you wake up. To doing your morning fitness routine. From how you get your daily updates to how you multitask on the go. From how you collaborate with your colleagues to how you stay connected with your family while you're at it. From revolutionizing the way you and your loved ones shop, as your favorite stores come home, to how your kids experience learning in a way that is not just fun, but interactive and immersive. From how you can learn along with gamers from around the world. To how you can take on gamers at home. And most importantly, how you spend quality time with yourself. Without getting in the way of your loved one's sleep.
Thank you. I think I request all students, I think we have a stall, we have a Geo Dive where you can experience this AV, AR, virtual reality. So I think we have a lot of videos. I think as Supriya has touched about, 5G is a very big game changer in agriculture, just in healthcare. Healthcare, I think we in Mobile Expo, we showed a demo, Vinit sir, where I think doctor was sitting in Bombay and he can do operation in ambulance which was in Delhi. So it did not require doctors to be in operation theatre. So through AR, VR and there's no low latency, you can also use 5G in healthcare. And education, I think biggest application why we are here, we really want all faculty to use 5G technology for teaching. I think this can really, we showed, if you see the demo again teachers need not be in the villages, they can sit in metros and they can teach students across the villages. So we are very, very happy that we are very, very happy that we are in one of the top institutions of the country, Delhi NCR, and I commit you, maybe this might be the first visit of Jio Reliance in the campus. We'll work with Vinit sir so that we come frequently, and we'll make the session much stronger. Thank you, sir. Thanks for having us. I request Gaurav just to talk about. He's the youngest team member in our company. I'll request he will talk about the youth pass, which will really excite all the students. Come, Gaurav. Big round of applause.
We have a mic?
Yeah.
So why we are saying that India is, growing and the most important developing economies of I would say presently and in the next 30, 40 years will not be for US or, Europe or any other big developed nation. It will be only for India. Anybody can tell that in this room? Any guesses? I know it's afternoon, but we'll try to finish this in another 20 minutes. But why we are saying India will grow? It's only because of Indian population is 45% is youth. And that's why the growth is there. That's why the consumption is there. So I think a big round of applause to youth. Youth is the energy, youth is passion, and youth is, I think, the power of growth and development of any country or any city or any institution. So thanks, Vinit sir, Shivali ma'am, Dipali ma'am, thank you. So for inviting us, and today we'll talk about 2-3 things, which will change. First, your campus is now true 5G campus, and we can say that what Suraj sir said, today we are giving about 400 Mbps speed. but we will definitely try to make sure that we bring this speed more towards 1000 Mbps, and that is the power of 5G. And what will change, the thing will change is the people who are studying here, staff members or anybody can use their handsets, their connectivity to an extent where they don't lose any data, they cannot lose anything required. And the best part about high internet speed is you can study, you can do your online courses easily with 5G, which is not possible even in 4G, because the speed in 4G is approximately 5-10 Mbps or maximum 20 Mbps if you have a tower inside your campus as well. But in 5G, when you have a tower inside your campus or within a vicinity of about 100 meters, you can experience speed to the tune of 500 Mbps, 600 Mbps, and even 1000 Mbps. So that is a differentiator. So today we'll talk about what will benefit to the students. I think you were waiting for that specifically for almost an hour now. First thing, we are now introducing a youth pass for each one of you. Now, what is a youth pass? So you can see on the screen, all students in this campus are now can get a lot of exciting offers from Reliance Jio. First thing, to get a youth pass, you all have to have a Jio SIM. So how many people are using Jio over here? So almost as per me, it's about 90-95%. How many are not using Jio as of now? So it's also about 30-odd%. So ये three चीज समझ में. I think people are using two SIMs. So first thing you need to do, I think पहला अपना Jio का जो SIM है, वो आप SIM slot 1 में डालें. आपके पास अगर एक non Jio SIM है और एक Jio SIM है, try to make sure Jio becomes your primary SIM. It comes in the first SIM slot 1. जैसे ही आप SIM slot 1 में डालेंगे, data आपका Jio पे चलने लग जाएगा. Then you can experience speeds. Number 1. So जितने भी लोगों के पास Jio नहीं है, उन सभी के लिए एक ऑफर है with Vineet sir's permission. I am being a sales head. मेरा काम है हम सबको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना. All students, staff members and their extended families. यानी कि अगर मैं स्टूडेंट हूँ, मेरे घर में 4 लोग हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, मेरे सिबलिंग्स हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, उन सबको मैं फ्री MNP करके दूंगा. यानी कि आपका नंबर एयरटेल वोडा आइडिया का अगर है, सेम रहेगा. वी विल पोर्ट दैट नंबर टू Jio एंड वी विल नॉट चार्ज एनीथिंग फॉर दैट. इवन 1 month recharge will be free. Also, if somebody is having a Jio SIM and needs one more for himself or family members, that also will not charge. So Bishmeet is our branch head for this area. You can just raise your hand. We will create a desk in your campus, not only for today, but we will keep it for, because as you said, we have 8,000 plus students and almost about 200 plus staff members होंगे approximately. तो 300 into 4 ये हो गया 1200. 8,000 into 4 ये हो गया कितना? 24,000. मैं बात कर रहा हूं करीब 30,000 सिम्स की, 32,000 सिम्स की, 30,000 लोगों की बात कर रहा हूं. तो इट विल टेक टाइम. विनीत सर, तो वी विल क्रिएट अ डेस्क at a given space and we will continue that for almost 1 or 2 months. Also, people who are staying at home, we have a fleet about 5,000 people who go home to home and deliver the SIMs and get the activation done. So you can share a list to Bishmeet and our team. We will continuously keep going to their homes and getting the activation and MNP done. तो ये ठीक है friends? तो एक यार round of applause होता है यार. In terms of money, अगर मैं मोनेटाइज करता हूँ इसको तो 250 अप्रोक्सीमेटली 239 है ना अपना, तो 250 इंटू 30,000 कर लेते हैं. मैथमेटिक्स बताओ कितने हो गए, कितने लाख हो गए? वो जोड़ भी नहीं पा रहा है. करीब 75 लाख रुपए मैं आपको दे रहा हूं यहाँ पे भी. ठीक है विप्स, यार एनर्जी लाओ यार थोड़ी. So this is only for you all and your family members. One, it is not because I have a vested interest, because you are all techies, you are youngsters. The more data you will use, it will be better for us. Number 2, the more data you use, it will help all of you to make sure that you don't miss even a single day without getting connected to the world. I think that is the biggest change. As you saw in the last presentation, it is not US which is number 1. It is not Europe or South Korea who were leaders in 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G. We always used to get 2G after 4 years, 3G after 4 years, 4G after 4 years. But today, 5G we started launching with all these big players. And 6G testing is already started in Jio. So we will be pioneering 6G in India first. Apple is now opening their setup in India. They are coming out of China. So you can understand the power of, Indian economy in the next 10 years, 5 years, 20 years, 30 years. ये सारा मजा आप लोगों को मिलेगा. We will get older. We will move out or for professional careers. But you guys will be the king and queens in that particular time. So 5G will be creating a lot of benefit to each one of you. Now, when you have that Jio SIM, so you can quickly go to download a My Jio app. If you don't have it, you can just go to Play Store and download My Jio app. Now, this My Jio app will make sure you get a banner in it which says Jio Welcome Offer. क्या बोला मैंने? Jio Welcome Offer. ये आपको जैसे आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे वो 3 चीजें चेक करेगा. First, do you have a 5G handset? Tick. Second, do you have a Jio SIM? और obviously tick है वो. Third, are you in a 5G network area? तो क्योंकि आपके इस कैंपस पे आपके घर में 5G कनेक्टिविटी है, आपके पास 5G हैंडसेट है और आपके पास में जियो का सिम है, जियो वेलकम ऑफर आपको मिल जाता है जिससे आपको फ्री इंटरनेट मिलता है, अनलिमिटेड एज ऑफ नाउ. वी आर नॉट चार्जिंग फॉर 5G एज ऑफ नाउ द डे वी हैव लॉन्च्ड. सो सबके पास में डेटा की एक लिमिटेशन है कि हम एक दिन में 1.5 GB का प्लान लेते हैं, 2 GB का प्लान लेते हैं, लेकिन अब आपको चिंता नहीं करना है. यू कैन डू योर सीमलेस मूवी वॉचिंग और गेमिंग और स्टडीज और सोशल मीडिया इंटरेक्शंस. बिकॉज मैं आपको 1, 2, 5 GB की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं दिन की. यू कैन यूज 100 GB, 50 GB in a day without being charged. So this will come free of cost to each one of you by just downloading My Jio app through Play Store and getting Jio Welcome Offer. So आप सभी लोग वो ऐप डाउनलोड कर लें My Jio. जिनके पास नहीं है ऐप, जिनके पास है वो वेलकम ऑफर का बैनर क्लिक करके फ्री इंटरनेट ले लें. पॉइंट नंबर 3, जैसे ही हम लोग ये जियो सिम लेंगे, आप सब लोग थ्रू माई जियो ऐप और jio.com के द्वारा यू कैन गेट this voucher, the free voucher which we are giving, which we are saying that this is a youth pass. Now youth pass से आपको बहुत सारे और benefit मिलेंगे. I think we all are techies, we all need new smartphones or laptops or tablets, and we continuously go and buy from retail stores or online. So we have our own digital store, Reliance Digital. आपने देखा होगा आपके घर के पास में या आपके मेन मार्केट्स में हमारे दिल्ली के अंदर करीब 37 रिलायंस डिजिटल स्टोर्स हैं और अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 100+ माई जियो स्टोर्स हैं जो छोटे 200-300 स्क्वायर फीट के साइज के. इन सभी जगहों पे हमारा ये ऑफर चलेगा. आपने अगर ये यूथ पास डाउनलोड कर लिया है, यू कैन गेट 1000 रुपीज ऑफ ऑन एन एप्पल फोन, सैमसंग फोन, वीवो एंड ओप्पो फोन्स. whatever discount is displayed there in that store, ये उसके ऊपर है. It is not that वो MRP पे 100,000 रुपीज आपको डिस्काउंट देगा. जो डिस्काउंट और स्कीम लगी है उसके ऊपर यूथ पास अगर आपके पास है तो वो आपको ऑफर करेगा. अबाउट 500 ऑफ ऑन Realme and Xiaomi phones and on laptops, headphones, स्मार्ट वॉचेस, पेरिफेरल्स, इन सभी एक्सेसरीज पे एडिशनल 5% आपको डिस्काउंट मिलेगा. एंड दिस इज ओनली थ्रू अ यूथ पास. सो अगर आपके पास में जियो सिम है, यूथ पास जनरेट करिए. आपके फ्रेंड के लिए अगर जो आज यहाँ पे नहीं आया, नो 8,000 पीपल कैन नॉट सिट इन वन रूम, बट यू हैव लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इन योर कोलीग्स हु स्टडीइंग विथ यू, उनके लिए भी आप जनरेट कर सकते हैं और उसके यूथ पास उसको उसके नंबर पे आप भेज सकते हैं. Secondly, we also have our own fashion site called Ajio.com. I think most of you have shopped from there. It's a fashion store. We have Reliance Trend, Zivame. We have our own smart bazaar where you get your home groceries for. इन सभी जगहों पे आपको यूथ पास से 200 रुपए का डिस्काउंट आपको मिलता है, अजियो पे 500 रुपीज ऑफ मिलता है, अगर रिलायंस ट्रेंड से आप शॉपिंग कर रहे हैं, अगर आप स्मार्ट बाजार से कुछ घर के लिए ग्रोसरीज खरीद रहे हैं, देन ऑल्सो यू कैन गेट अबाउट 10%, मैक्स 50 रुपीज तक का आपको वहां पे भी शॉपिंग पे डिस्काउंट मिलता है. Most of you would be using Jio Saavn or Spotify as your music app. I think Jio Saavn is also our own app, our in-house app, and for getting a pro membership you get a 67% discount through this offer. So you can just download Jio Saavn, use your youth pass and get a discount of 67% there and then. So Vineet sir, one more important thing, since all campuses have their Insta, they have their Facebook page, they have their networking, Jio Saavn में एक बड़ा अच्छा feature है. If there are about 100 plus students who create a group, then you can create a music group for specially for VIPs. तो विप्स के जितने भी म्यूजिक लवर्स हैं, दे कैन कम अप टुगेदर एंड दे कैन क्रिएट अ ग्रुप एंड देन दे कैन क्रिएट देयर सॉन्ग्स, मेक देयर एंथम्स एंड दे कैन क्रिएट देयर ओन प्लेलिस्ट. जो आपके कैंपस की प्लेलिस्ट है आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड दैट विल बी एक्सक्लूसिवली फॉर विप्स. सो दैट चैनल विल बिकम अ एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल फॉर यू. सो यू कैन यूज दैट. मूविंग ऑन टीम, we also give a VR experience. You have a live counter outside your study area in the open area. We have created a VR display. You can use those devices, experience 5G 360 degree. आप देख सकते हैं, गेम खेल सकते हैं, आप जरूर एक्सपीरियंस करिएगा. These VR devices are also available for sale at our own stores. So if you want to buy them, please contact our Jio sales team. We will align our team members to give you available updates. आप कहाँ से इनको खरीद सकते हैं. So moving on, yeah.
Just tell them that they have posters, banners everywhere.
Yes. So the process what Preeti is saying is very easy. You have posters and banners put across your VIPS campus. You can just scan the QR code through your mobile. You can use any app. आपके पास में Paytm है, Google Pay है या कोई भी ऐप है, उससे आप स्कैन करें और स्कैन करते ही आप अपना यूथ पास जनरेट कर सकते हैं. दूसरा तरीका है आप jio.com पे चले जाएं, माई जियो ऐप पे चले जाएं, वहां से भी आप यूथ पास जनरेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज दी ऑल. Good. So last thing which I want to say before Shikha, our HR head, comes and takes the dais. I think we also in Jio would love to partner with in 2-3 programs, if Vineet you give your permission. We have RJA program, which is a resident Jio associate program, जिसमें हम students को in करते हैं for part-time opportunity to earn while they are learning. So the main objective is कि आप पढ़ाई करें, but during your free hours, if you can spend 2-3 hours with us doing a live project and you can want to earn. So there are a lot of students in different universities and campuses doing different courses who are spending about 2-3 hours doing live project with us and earning. So you can earn about 10,000 rupees plus easily in a month if you spend about 2-3 hours in a day, and that can be your pocket money, whatever you want. So and also it will give you a lot of experience how to do sales, because if people here some MBAs or doing a BCom graduates, I'm not talking about the lawyers over here. I think they have a different stream where they have to work, but yes, people who are doing MBAs and graduations, they can always put some time and effort if they want to earn. Secondly, for all the females over here, we have an opportunity to for them to earn by becoming a Jio call associates with us, customer associates, and in that program, you are at home, you don't need to go outside. At home, if you spend about 4.5 hours, you can earn up to 15,000 rupees by just calling to our customers through our own app, not going anywhere. During your free time, just call on a designated app, and in that process, the customers who do the recharges, they can definitely benefit, and you get benefit of incentivizing. So that program is also there, and we will clearly discuss this in future when we discuss with Vineet sir and the entire team. So Shikha, over to you. Thank you, team. Thank you.
I'm audible? Okay. So Gaurav, too many offers, huh? Not for us, sir. So a big round of applause for what Gaurav just had taken us through, and a big round of applause for everyone here in the room. So it's always a delight to visit campuses, and from the last few months it has been a little low-lying for me, so I'm so delighted and happy to be here and meeting and greeting everyone and having that connect. So already Surat sir, Gaurav has mentioned too many things about 5G. So why are we here today? We are not talking jobs. We are primarily here for an event for 5G launch. So why this campus? Anyone? Anyone? You believe in yourself, right? Anyone? One answer? No, if I was that side, I would have actually jumped to answer saying, yes, we are true 5G. Ready? Campus! So I'll just touch upon a small story. We talked a lot about how we have progressed, how 5G has actually enabled, but not to forget that we have actually passed through a very hard phase just about a year back. All of us, right? The COVID phase. So how are we empowered? So think of a situation if we were not ready in terms of infrastructure which was available in the country, which is today. Were we ready? No, we were not ready. So from education to medical to everything, we were just ready. And the numbers that you saw here, that India was still at number 3, actually we have crossed that numbers. We have truly crossed that numbers. We are number 1 today. Why? Because the country is true 5G ready. Now how and why we have been able to do that? Because the appetite here is very high. So there is technology which is available, but do you know, I was visiting a country, and one of the countries which was mentioned in this slide on this year, and they don't have a UPI payment. They don't have a UPI payment system still available in the country. US doesn't have it still. The kind of infrastructure we are making you ready for is actually the way to go. And what we're looking forward with this event in the campus today is to make you ready that this big technology is coming your way. And you have to have that high appetite to actually absorb and take the country to the next level. And that's the whole actually intent of this event that we are here today for. The entire leadership that is sitting here today is actually here with the intent, with too many offers that you already see your way, because that's always the ways to entice the audience, but the underlying objective is that this is now a true 5G campus which is ready, which is empowered, and will enable not just this campus, but to take the country to the next level. And that's our tagline also. Digital India. That's the Reliance Jio tagline. And we are a product which actually will turn the entire future of the country. That's only words that I had in my mind just to energize this group and to actually leave a note saying that have that appetite to come, be future ready, and take it from here to the next level. That is it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shikha ma'am, for your insights. Now I would request Professor Dipali Virmani ma'am, Officiating Director of VSCT, to present a vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. Today we have gathered at Vivekananda Institute of Professional Studies Technical Campus on a momentous occasion that marks the dawn of a new era in the world of telecommunication and technology. It is with immense gratitude and excitement that we extend our heartfelt vote of thanks for the Jio 5G launch event held at our institute. First and foremost, I would like to thank Mr. Dr. S.C. Vatsa, Honorable Chairman, WIPS TC, for his unwavering dedication to the innovation and education he has laid to the foundation of this institution. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Vineet Vatsa, Vice Chairman, WIPS TC, for his commitment to provide a platform for cutting-edge technology and ensuring that all the events are done in a remarkable manner. Thank you, sir. A special note of thanks goes to Mr. Suraj Shah, the Regional Sales and Distribution Head North, Mr. Gaurav Kumar, Sales and Distribution Head Delhi, Ms. Shikha Taneja, HR Head Delhi, for choosing WIPS as the venue for this launch event. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Your decision to collaborate with us for this event is not only an acknowledgement to our institute's repute, but also a witness to the strong partnership between WIPS and GOT. We are honored to have hosted this event and look forward to future collaborate that push the boundaries of technology and education. This launch of Jio's 5G technology signifies a giant leap forwarding in the world of telecommunication, promising a faster and more reliable connectivity and unlocking the world of possibilities in the areas of healthcare, education, and business. We are excited to be a part of this transformative journey, sir. I would express my gratitude towards Professor Supriya Madan ma'am for her support and contribution in this event. Vote of thanks would not be complete without appreciating the efforts of Ms. Shikha, Ms. Preeti, what is Shikha? Ms. Preeti, Prachi, I'm thanking Ms. Preeti from Jio and Ms. Prachi from WIPS, Public Relation Officer of WIPS, for managing and organizing this event. Ms. Bharti for beautifully anchoring this event, and special regards to the technical team for their efforts. As we conclude with this vote of thanks, I would extend my gratitude and appreciation to all the attendees, students, faculty members, and staff who have graced this occasion with their presence and support. As we conclude with this vote of thanks, let us not forget the large purpose of today's gathering. It is not just about celebrating technology, it's about embracing the futuring and fostering the innovation, preparing our students to be the leaders and the pioneers for tomorrow. With the launch of Jio 5G technology here at WIPS TC, we are taking a significant step towards the achievement of the goals. Thank you all, and thank you. Let's contribute and continue to strive for excellence in the innovation and education. Thank you.